Now let's take a look at lists, which is the third level in our hierarchy. And like I've mentioned, we already have one list in our marketing space. So a list is basically where you're going to be managing and keeping track of all of your tasks for a specific project. So for example, for the marketing department, we might want to add a list for each campaign that we're running. So the first thing I would do here is just click on the list and then change the name to that specific campaign. The easiest way is to just click on the current name right here at the top and then enter the name of the campaign. I like to give things numbers as well. So I'm going to just add 1 and then say Black Friday campaign. And now we could start adding tasks regarding this Black Friday campaign here into this list. Now we're going to be talking more about how to add and manage your tasks in lists later in the video. So for now, I just want to add a few more lists to this marketing space. So to add a new list, I'm going to go to the space I want to add it in, then click on the plus icon and then click on list. Then here we can name our list. So let's say we also have a new year campaign and click on create list. And then let's also add a third one again, plus icon, list. Then let's say we have an Easter campaign as well, create list. So now we have one list for each of the campaigns we are currently working on. But let's say we also want to use a list for another project in the marketing department. Let's say we also want to use a task list for our blog posts that we're managing. So let's add this one as well by clicking on the plus icon again, list. And now we're just going to name this blog posts and click on create list. So now we have lists for our campaigns and we also have lists for blog posts. And there's probably going to be a lot more lists in the future once we keep building out this workspace. And you can see that it can become very unorganized very quickly if we just keep adding lists at the space level. And this is why we want to use folders to organize our lists.